Welcome to our Business Team Focus Tool demo. Today, I'll show you how to transform your business strategy using the power of North Star metrics and departmental alignment. Here's the challenge every business faces. Teams working in silos, pursuing different goals with no unified direction. The solution? A North Star metric. The one key metric that captures the core value your business delivers to customers. Combined with department-specific one metric that matters, that all align toward this common goal. Think of it as your business compass, ensuring every team, every decision, every action moves your company in the same direction. Let's see how our tool makes this transformation simple and actionable. Step 1. Discovering your North Star options. Our intelligence system analyzes your brand personality and business details to present you with carefully curated North Star metric options. You're not starting from a blank page. You're choosing from proven strategic metrics that fit your business model. As you can see, we're presented with 3 powerful options. Let me walk you through the first one. Increase customer retention rate. Notice how comprehensive each option is. We show you exactly how it's measured. In this case, number of repeat customers divided by total number of customers. But more importantly, we explain why it's strategically important. This metric indicates strong customer satisfaction and loyalty, aligning with what we call the lover and caregiver brand archetypes, focusing on connection and nurturing relationships. Each option comes with this level of strategic context, so you're not just picking numbers, you're choosing a business philosophy. Step 2. Making your strategic choice. You can explore each option in detail. Improve overall customer experience rating focuses on creating a haven of comfort and indulgence, while increase customer visits during special occasions capitalizes on creating memorable, cherished experiences. Each metric tells a different story about how your business creates value. The beauty is that there's no wrong choice, just different paths to success. For our demo, let's select Improve overall customer experience rating as our North Star metric. Step 3. Deep dive into your North Star. Once selected, the system provides a comprehensive breakdown of your chosen North Star metric. You can see it's measured by average customer satisfaction rating and aligns with the caregiver archetype by providing a comforting, nurturing environment that increases customer loyalty.
But here's where it gets really valuable: the detailed plan of action. Notice we have 4 specific actionable steps. Collect customer feedback through multiple channels, analyze feedback to identify improvement areas, implement changes based on customer input, train staff to provide exceptional service. This isn't just theory, it's a roadmap your team can start implementing immediately. Step 4. Department-specific alignment. Now comes the game-changing feature, departmental alignment. The system automatically generates one metric that matters for each department, all supporting your North Star. Let's explore how this works. For marketing, the OMTM is minimize customer acquisition cost while maximizing archetype alignment. Notice how it's measured. Total marketing expenses divided by number of customers attracted by marketing efforts. This ensures marketing efficiency while attracting customers who value emotional connection, perfectly aligned with our North Star of customer experience. For sales, we see increased average transaction value through personalized upselling. This focuses on maximizing revenue from each customer interaction while enhancing their experience through personalized service. Customer service gets increased number of positive reviews, directly supporting our North Star by creating memorable experiences that customers want to share. And finance focuses on reduce cost of goods sold, optimizing profitability while maintaining the quality that drives customer satisfaction. Each department receives a comprehensive checklist with 10 to 15 specific action items. For example, finance's checklist includes tracking revenue and expenses, developing budgets, managing cash flow, and implementing cost-saving measures, all supporting the overall customer experience goal. If any time you want to explore different North Star metric, you can click on Check Other North Star metric options. Step 5. Implementation and progress tracking. What's powerful about this approach is that you can track progress across departments. Notice how the finance department shows completed items with green check marks. Tasks like track revenue and expenses accurately and develop a budget and financial forecast are marked as completed. This visual progress tracking ensures accountability and keeps all teams aligned toward the North Star. You can see at a glance which departments are on track and which need additional support. The checklist items aren't generic. They're specifically crafted to support your chosen North Star metric, ensuring every action drives towards improved customer experience.
Step 6. Sharing and collaboration. Finally, you can share these strategic insights across your organization. The Share as Link feature creates a secure, shareable URL that you can distribute to stakeholders, team leaders, and key personnel. For added security, toggle on password protection to ensure sensitive strategic information stays within your organization. You can also download the complete analysis as a PDF for offline reference, board presentations, or strategic planning sessions. In just a few minutes, you've transformed from having disconnected departmental goals to a unified strategic focus. Every team now has clear metrics, actionable checklists, and a shared North Star that aligns all efforts toward delivering exceptional customer experiences. This is the power of strategic alignment, when every department understands how their work contributes to the bigger picture. Your entire organization becomes more effective, more focused, and ultimately more successful. Ready to align your teams around a common North Star and drive unprecedented business growth?